Thank you for purchasing this face swap replacement template for your newborn baby. Go ahead and download the PDF with the Canva link and then open it up. So go to your position, layer palette, and delete the current image that's there. Hit delete, upload your own image. So go to upload, select your image, and it will show up here. Select the baby that you want to put in. You'll want to go back to your position layers palette and drag your image all the way to the bottom. And now you'll want to go in and resize this. So just grab a corner and get the face so it fits somewhat. You can rotate it, enlarge it a little bit, and get right where it fills. As you can see, right about there. Also a nice thing, you can delete the hat if you don't want the hat. You can actually get rid of it. But we'll keep the hat. So now you'll want to work with the shadows. So there's 3 different shadows. This side, the left side, has a little more shadow. So I moved it over. And then there's some other ones. You can make more shadow on the top if you want, where the hat is. There's a more brownish shadow for more of those darker skin tone shadows. And then finally, if you want, you can adjust the hue and the color balance of your image so that it will blend better with the wreath image. Hit edit photo, go to adjust, and you'll probably want more blue temperatures, more blue. The color consistency and temperature will blend. So you also can do brightness, make it a little more subtle. Shadows you probably want to go darker with because this is a little bit of a dark scene. It comes out pretty well considering it's not Photoshop. And when you're done, you can just easily export it, hit share, download, and select JPEG. And there you have it.